Hello and join me for today's cleanup. It's been a long overdue video. I have not posted on YouTube for a long time. A quick update, we have 2 kiddos now with the 3rd on the way due this October. Currently 28 weeks on the video, and by the time I upload this I'll probably be closer to 30 weeks. It's been very hard to upkeep the house. I have HD, so I basically am sick until I deliver the baby. So I did take a few breaks in between these videos, and currently the kids are sleeping right now, so I'm trying to get a majority of downstairs kitchen all cleaned up, and then when hubby gets home I will go ahead and move my way upstairs. Just a few places I really want to clean: the kitchen, the upstairs bathroom, and then I have a little bit of deep cleaning as I'm going to be turning my office space entryway into an in-home photography studio. Since I have HD, I have not been able to work as a wedding photographer like I normally do every year, so I'm going to be trying to turn that into a studio and get a little bit more income this year. And I'm super excited for that, but stay tuned as I clean the kitchen, that room. I'm going to carpet clean, do some deep cleaning of a upstairs bathroom that needs a much very needed deep cleaning. And I recently found these that you kind of attach to the end of your oven, so all like the crumbs and dirt doesn't fall through and you won't have a huge mess. I don't know if I'm 100% sold on them, but they obviously keep a lot of crumbs and dirt out of in between the oven. So I'm going to give it a shot. If you guys want to, I will go ahead and have that linked in my Amazon storefront. And this is the point where I've noticed that my oldest is slowly waking up, so I figured it is time to move on to these dirty floors that need a much needed cleaning. So I grabbed my Tinco or Tinico, whatever you want to call it. I've absolutely been obsessed with this purchase. We got it last Christmas or 2 Christmases ago, and I have been using this non-stop. It's a wet dry vacuum and it is amazing. You don't have to worry about vacuuming and then mopping after and worrying about all of that. It does it all at once. I'm not affiliated with them, but I will go ahead and link them in my Amazon storefront. And here comes my son rolling and scooting over the freshly new washed floors. Normally I like to go over it 1 or 2 passes just to have a deeper clean. The first time with product and the second time with just some hot water, and then I can make sure I get a deeper clean. So this is my second pass with the Tineco, and I will also show the water dump at the end.
We are dreaming in the dark. We are nothing more than dust. Search but you stay lost. We are reaching for.
And the amazing part about the Tineco, it has a self-cleaning, so you go ahead and click the self-cleaning. It's going to clean the roller. And I like to go the extra mile, and I still take off all the parts that we can clean, which is the dirty water tank and the roller and all of these pieces that come apart, and I still go ahead and clean these all separately, and then I let them air dry, and it's ready to go for the next one. Here is the second water dump, which is a lot better. And then this got delivered right when I was filming this, so I figure let's go ahead and deep clean some of the walls. This is like the viral TikTok thing, so I just put a little Mr. Clean in it. And let's go ahead and clean the walls and see what it does.
The stars, but we're making this too hard, and I wonder where you are. Mysterious, that's the part you always show, 'cause you're too curious. Maybe you should take it slow. Mysterious, that's the part you always show, 'cause you're too curious. Maybe you should take it slow.
And there's the water dump, but let's go ahead and move on to this room that I've been telling you guys about that I'm turning into my photography studio. So we're going to start with a quick deep vacuum just to pick up all that dirt, so I will be ready for the carpet cleaning. And for the carpet cleaning, I am using a Bissell Pro Heat. And then here I am just using my Shark vacuum, and I love the corded vacuum a lot more than Dyson, just because I feel like it takes or gives a better deep clean. So let's go ahead and clean these floors, and eventually I'm going to move the couch and everything else and finish the other side. But I don't believe I'm going to do that today, but look at those lines. I love it. Let's go ahead and get this carpet clean. And the way I use the Bissell Pro, and I'm not sure if it's the 100% correct way, I like to kind of do about 2 swipes of the water or cleaning solution. So I go up and down holding the trigger, and then I release the trigger, and then I go back multiple times until I kind of see the water, like what it's picking up is lessening. And then I am moving fast in the video, but in reality I'm going a lot slower. These are sped up like 4 or 5 times, so I am actually going a lot slower. But right now you can see the water is pulling a lot, and eventually it'll start pulling a lot less, and that's when I stop. And then after that, I just put a fan on it, went outside to water my garden, and then headed back inside, got myself an iced coffee because I'm ready to head upstairs. And if you guys see me holding my phone in these clips, it's because I'm making videos for TikTok. So if you want to check that out, I will go ahead and link my TikTok in my description bar. I like to make little short clips for TikTok. It's a lot easier than YouTube, but this is just like all of the videos all put together in one big cleaning marathon. So I'm just going to go ahead and throw in the laundry, and I'm going to start that at the end of the video just because I'm going to have a lot of laundry throughout cleaning the house. Also, a bathroom hack that I love is taking the seat completely off and cleaning it in the bathtub. So it's one last thing that I have to worry about getting everything soaked around there, but then I go ahead and just like hang it to dry and finish cleaning the rest of the toilet, and then when it's dry I just clip it back in.
We are dreaming in the dark. We are nothing more than dust. Search but you stay lost. We are reaching for the stars, but we're making this too hard. And I wonder where you are. Mysterious, that's the part you always show. 'Cause you're too curious. Maybe you should take it slow. Mysterious, that's the part you always show. 'Cause you're too curious. Maybe you should take it slow. We're dreaming in the dark. We are nothing more than dust. You search but you stay lost. We are reaching for the stars. We are making this too hard. And I wonder where you Mysterious, that's the part you always show. 'Cause you're too curious. Maybe you should take it slow. Mysterious, that's the part you always show. 'Cause you're too curious. Maybe you should take it slow. Reaching for the
And if you guys made it this far into the video, thank you so much. I absolutely love scrubbing the bathroom floors. I was just trying out this Dollar Tree hack with this a sweeper and attachments, and I like to go in the end with a just hot water with a mop just to really get the products off the floor. And then I wanted it to smell really good, and I did the sweeper that is new, whatever everyone's been trying, and I think I'll just obviously keep them for a little faster cleanup. But thank you guys so much for staying this far, if you've made it this far, for watching, and be sure to subscribe if you want to see more videos. And I do a lot of mopping and cleaning videos on my TikTok, so be sure to check that out as well. But once again, thank you guys so much for watching. There's about a minute left of cleaning, so I hope this gave you the motivation to clean. And I know these videos really do help me.